So yeah, lots of interesting stuff আজকে করা হলো motor education. So what we're trying to do is every week আমরা একটা class করবো, which is basically we're demonstrating stuff. We'll be showing some real life physics and practically কেমনে কি হয় না হয় এরকম করে move on. So yeah, just to make it a little more interesting, so it's not just me in front of the computer drawing diagrams and being like, hello, how was your vacation? What did you do in your vacation? I don't care what you did in your vacation. So you guys ready for A2?
No.
No? Good, very good. I'm always happy to know that. So yeah. So one of the first chapters that you study in A level is this thing called circular motion. So mainly and for that you can see here is a bowl. Can you guys see the bowl?
Yes.
So I put a ball to a marble into the bowl. Now, how do I make the marble go around in circles? So I start holding it like this. What nature of the bowl is causing it to go in a circle?
Curved surface.
Okay. Why do we can we do that? Will the ball go around in a circle on a flat surface?
No.
No. So what about the curved surface makes it go around in it? Why does it go in it?
Because it's constantly hitting a wall. Like,
So
it's changing direction every time.
if it's changing direction, what does that mean?
Going up.
It's accelerating.
Correct, it's accelerating. So a boundary কারণে হয় কি? What happens because of the boundary?
It stops the ball moving in a straight line.
Correct, it's going in a circle. I want to understand this more from the concept of forces. No, I'm not going to answer. Just think about it. What could it be? That's nice. The curved surface, this side, is pushing on the marble. Which way is it pushing on the marble?
Towards the center.
Towards the center, correct. And so what happens? Is this force balanced or unbalanced?
Unbalanced?
Well, obviously it's unbalanced, because if something is pushing it towards the center, nothing is pushing it away from the center, right? So it's an unbalanced force. And what do unbalanced forces cause?
Acceleration.
It causes acceleration. So when this marble is moving, listen to this point very carefully. When these marbles are moving at a constant speed, are they accelerating?
Nope.
Yes, because the direction is changing.
Yes.
Conclude what we're seeing here. What did we say? That the marbles are experiencing a force from the sides of the bowl. This side take force experience. This force is a non-balanced force, which is causing the marbles to accelerate. Which way are they accelerating? They're accelerating towards the center. Right? Towards the center of the circle. And when you do that perpendicular to motion, you have constant speed but constant acceleration also. তোমরা কি দেখতে পারতেছো that I'm spinning something?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So এখন, based on the same things that we saw with the marble, হ্যাঁ, এখানে ওই মার্বেলে যেভাবে জিজ্ঞেস করলাম তোমাদেরকে যে very obvious questions, but মানে answers should be easy, but we need to go through them once. Why is it going in a circle here?
Force exerted by the thread.
What do we call that force?
Tension? Centrifugal force.
Tension. Centrifugal বলতে কিছু নাই. So this is the tension in the string. Which way is the tension acting?
Towards your hand.
Towards the center.
Towards the center. Towards the center of the circle. ঠিক আছে, ভালো কথা. It's moving at a constant speed. Is it accelerating? হাতে ব্যথা করতেছে. Is it accelerating?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
So why is it accelerating?
Because it's changing direction.
Nah, not show it's accelerating. Why is it accelerating?
The forces are unbalanced.
Yeah, very good. Because there's an unbalanced force acting on the marker. That's why it's accelerating. এখন, I'm very sure everyone is curious or might be thinking যে এটা তো ছিঁড়ে যাবে এরকম ঘুরাইতে থাকে। আমার সার্কুলার মোশনের মধ্যে what fundamental action would I have to tear this string?
Spin it fast.
ছিটতে হলে কি? আচ্ছা, one thing can be I can spin it fast. Anything else?
Add more weight.
Stretching it.
Add more weight. Very good. Anything else?
Stretching it.
Stretching, nah. It's more like making it longer.
Yes.
Right now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what does this tell you about the relationship between these three and the tension in the string?
They're proportional.
Relationship is
Directly proportional.
yes, they're proportional. If you increase any of them, তাহলে the tension in the string will increase. Correct. Very good. And also, another important thing is, what is the relationship between these three again with the force acting on the acceleration of the marker?
Proportional.
Proportional, right? Hey, aste, aste, aste. Anyway, yeah. So, যেটা বলতেছিলাম যে we have circular motion. And they got it. বুঝছে ওরা কি করলে এটা ছিড়বে? If I spin it faster, if I increase the mass, or if I increase the length. Okay. So yeah, the idea is if you want to tear this. Shit. What's that? Oh, we hit Nishliya. Hey, তোর গায়ে কি দাগ? কালিকুত্তি। Oh my God. To cause circular motion, you need an unbalanced force, and the unbalanced force is basically the force which is causing the acceleration. And circular motion একমাত্র তখনই পাবা when force is perpendicular to the motion. That's when you get circular motion. So we'll be doing some obnoxious stuff. So we can't do it inside 2D. Sorry, we can't do it inside of one. We might just ruin things. And we can't do it on the street because people are gonna think I'm crazy. So I'm going back to 2D. 2D তে গিয়ে তারপরে করব। So as I go there, যেতে আমি just তোমাদের সাথে আবার let's just review what we studied. So I want to hear you guys say the points. The key points পাইলা বুঝলা শিখলা কি আছে একটু বলে ফেলো। In regards to circular motion, what did we understand about the acceleration in circular motion?
There is constant speed, but there is a change in direction, so that's why there is acceleration involved.
Yes, very good, Nashlian, very good. Speed is constant, but the acceleration is also uniform or constantly happening. And circular motion, the acceleration is special because in circular motion, what you see is the acceleration is perpendicular to the motion, or the force is perpendicular to the motion. I want to hear some examples of circular motion from you guys. Kya kya bolo shune?
The satellite revolving around the Earth.
Very good. ওইখানে unbalanced force টা কি?
Earth's gravitational pull.
The pull of gravity.
Very good. আরেকটা example দাও.
Yeah.
Next example.
Blades, cooler.
Uh-huh.
The blades on a ceiling fan, like the movement.
Blades on a ceiling fan. ওইটাতে circular motion এর unbalanced force কে দিচ্ছে? It's basically fanner, blader, metaler মধ্যে tension টা. Tension in the blade itself. Any other ideas?
So electrons.
Electrons. Okay. Electron. If we assume electrons are moving in circular motion, তাহলে what is causing that motion?
Voltage.
The electrostatic force.
The charges, right? The charges are causing that. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the concept of circular motion, and it's one of the practical applications. So this is a bucket full of water, and a bucket of bhitore, there's a pretty long pipe. You guess it? So what we're going to try to do is we're going to try to use circular motion to get water outside of the bucket without flipping the bucket. Take a sec. The smart idea is the pipe is entirely full of water, and the idea is if I spin it fast enough, there should be a flow of water out of the bucket as the pipe spins. Sure. So that's why we couldn't do it inside octagon, because octagon wall দিতে গেলে সমস্যা. We can't do it on the street কারণ মানুষ দেখে বলবে যে পাগলের ধরে নিয়ে যাবে. So we have to do it here when nobody's watching, except for you guys, obviously. And তোমরা তো, I guess, guilty as charged and the পাগল already. So সমস্যা নাই. So okay guys, ready? So here we go. Let's try this. Ready?
Yes.
Ready? Guys, business আমার দুষ্ট হয় না, ঠিক আছে? Okay. Ready, steady, go. Sajid pura busy আছে. Oh my god. So yeah, did you guys see that? Yeah, did you guys see that? আমি যতক্ষণ ঘুরাইতে থাকবো ততক্ষণ কিন্তু পানি বের হইতে থাকবে. I'll slow it down. So this is water being pulled out of the bucket due to circular motion. These sort of pumps are called centrifugal pumps, where the inertia of the water leads to water being. Oh my god, bucket almost khali. So yeah, there are certain types of pumps which uses this pump. They're called centrifugal pumps. So yeah, there are these pumps, they're called centrifugal pumps, where basically it pulls out water by using circular motion. We do have one last demonstration for today, and then we're going to wrap up. So, Ashasha, the bucket still has water in it. Circular motion is about acceleration, right? Circular motion is about acceleration. Okay. Circular motion is all about acceleration. So, if I was to tip this bucket and panita jodi pore jay, if I tip it, one of the main reasons the water falls is because acceleration causes the water come out, right? Okay, so we have water in there. আশা করি সবাই দেখতে পারতেছো. Now, it's possible to tip the bucket over and not let the water fall. And the only way that's possible is if the acceleration due to circular motion is more than g, so that when you reach the highest point, the water is falling due to g, but you're accelerating the bucket faster than g. The water should not fall. I haven't done this in a very long time.
You can do it. Just don't drop the bucket.
I wanted to say, I'm not sure if this is a good idea or not.
Just do it.
Just to show everyone, there is water. Just
Yes, so that
there we go. Okay, let's go. On 3, 1, 2. Oh no, হবে না, ছাদে লাগবে।
Sir, ছাদে লাগবে তো, your hand plus the handle.
Okay, let's try to make it shorter.
How?
1. Ay! Ay! Yeah! Oh God, man. It worked. Okay, let's try again. Almost putting a slice, so it almost broken. Okay, here we go. Oh, nice. Onic heavy. Oh, so yes, the water is still there, not a drop, and it's all because I was accelerating it faster than G at the highest point. যেটার কারণে পানিটা পড়ে গেল।
A few moments later.
Bottles open. এটা পিছলাই পড়বে, আমি বলতেছি এটা পড়ে গেল। হাতি পিছলাইতেছে। Oh God. Okay, yeah, here we go. Let's try doing this slower. Let's see how slow we can go without dropping the water. We're dropping it. একটু পড়ছে। এই গেল। হ্যাঁ। So too slow. Let's see how slow we can go with the buttons. আমার মনে হয় বেশ স্লো গেলেও হবে।
I don't think you should.
So হেডফোনটা খুলে
Oh yeah. Yeah, not bad. আর স্লো যায় না?
You're going fast.
Oh my God, almost পড়ে গেছে। আর স্লো যায়। Did you see that? Oh. Almost পড়ে গেছে। Let's try to hold it. আটকায় রাখার চেষ্টা করব। হবে না because এই যে if you're not in circular motion, you're in trouble basically. পড়ে গেছিল একটু না? But yeah. Okay, I think we've covered most of the concepts that we wanted to ask you. So,
Bye-bye, sir.
bye-bye.
I love you, sir.
Assalamu alaikum. Bye-bye.